In this lesson, we're going to be converting the metric distance with whole number values. So I put on the explanation page because you do want to write these things down. This table right here is a table that you need to know. So I'm going to go ahead and write this, just the facts down. So I want to remember that 1,000 millimeters is 1 meter. 100 centimeters is 1 meter. 10 decimeters is 1 meter. And of course, a meter is just a meter. So that's why they write base unit right here. And then we will put 1 kilogram is 1,000 meters. Now, all of these, notice that all of these labels are lowercase. So when you are using these labels and you're writing it with your pencil, make sure to use lowercase letters. So I'm going to go ahead and make this K a little more like a lowercase k for the kilometer. So this is important when you're doing, still looks like a capital, doesn't it? That's okay. So we're going to go ahead and we'll do our practice. I have my calculator here in case we need it. A scientist is working with 3 meters of gold wire. How long is the wire in millimeters? So I want to find the fact that I wrote that has millimeters and meters in it. And that's the very first one. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say that each meter, oopsies, I have my arrow thing on. Let's go back to our pencil. Okay, so each meter is 1,000 millimeters. We have 3 meters. See that in the problem? It says 3 meters of gold wire. So we are timesing. Basically, we're taking this fact, this equation, and we're just going to times it by 3. So 3 times 1 is 3 meters, and 3 times 1,000 is 3,000 millimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll type for my answer 3,000. And then they are requiring you to put in your label millimeters. And we'll go ahead and we'll do another one. We'll just do one more. Okay, so this says 50, a cable's 50 meters long. How long is a cable in decimeters? So I need to find the equation that has decimeters in it, and that's this third one. So we're going to write here that 10 decimeters is equal to 1 meter. The problem said that there's 50 meters. So we're going to go ahead and times the entire equation by 50. 50 times 10 is 500 decimeters. And 50 times 1 meter is 50 meters. So now we have that 50 meters is 500 decimeters. And we'll go ahead and type in 500. And we need to make sure that we have our label decimeters. And that's the end of the lesson.